Yeah, man. I'm Josh, the singer of Set Fire to the Rain.
Alright, I'm Simon, the bassist.
I'm Harry, the rhythm guitarist.
I'm Dan, the lead guitarist.
And I'm Greg, the drummer. Yeah, in February it's a Battle of Bands, which is coming up again, so it'll be
Hopefully not much longer.
2-year anniversary from that.
How did you first meet?
We ditched our drummer.
You should.
I know other guitarists.
And we got a slightly better one.
Yeah.
You know.
As I wake up, there's nothing on to see. As the night comes and the dark washes over me, and you're wearing the same clothes that you move so silently. You were closer than this. My shoes away.
Who'd you get your inspiration from?
Don't say Block Party, I'm gonna punch you in the
A whole
face.
range of artists, like from Block Party all the way to the Killers and
Oh yeah, definitely.
all sorts of bands.
Slayer.
Oh yeah, my biggest influence. I do like this though.
It was
I
a
don't know.
Battle of Bands.
Battle of Bands,
First
yeah,
one,
yeah.
2 years ago.
which we won.
Oh yeah.
With one practice.
Yeah, we won that.
It's the same as simplicity. Everyone's talking.
We played together for quite a while, and then we recruited Josh as well.
Yeah, I was the one that kind of made the band where it is now. Yeah.
Your mind's inside of me. I'm on a skeleton, surely.